Welcome to ANS Solver question 25. O is the origin. OP is equal to 2 times OA. So we can say that A is the midpoint. Therefore we can say that OA will be P by 2 and AP will also be P by 2 because they are saying that OP is equal to P. Now OQ is equal to 3 times OB, which means that 3 times when you place OB, this is 1, 2 and 3 times, then so you have 3 parts. Therefore you know that OB will be 1/3 of the value of OQ. So OQ is Q, therefore OB will be Q by 3 and BQ will be 2Q by 3. Now, and PM is equal to MQ. Therefore you know that M is the midpoint. Now they are telling us to find the vector BA. So how we can simply do that is we can go from B to O plus O to A. Now B to O will be the opposite direction of the direction vector. So you take negative Q by 3 plus P by 2 because O to A is in the same direction of the direction vector. So this will be your final answer for part A, which is minus Q by 3 plus P by 2. Now let's move to part B, the position vector M. Now they've only told you that M is the midpoint of QP. They haven't given you any further details, but you know the position vector BA and you can work the opposite direction. So you can go from B to Q, Q to M, M to P and then P to A. So you can work out QP like that. So we know B to A is equal to minus Q by 3 plus P by 2. Now if we go the other direction, that is B to Q first and then Q to P and then P to A. So in this case we will be adding BQ. Therefore we subtract BQ from BA because we need to know the value of only QP. So we subtract the value of BQ, that would be 2Q by 3. And since we'll be subtracting P by 2, if we go in this direction, we will add P by 2 just to get rid of the P by 2. So plus P by 2. Now all we need to do is simplify and this will give us the vector QP. Now when we simplify, we will get minus Q minus 2Q, so minus 3Q divided by 3. We can only do this because they have the same denominator. So the 3 and the 3 will get cancelled, plus P will give us 2P. Again we can only do this because they have the same denominator, that is 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Therefore we know that QP, or the vector QP, is equal to P minus Q. Now QM would be exactly half of that because we know M is the midpoint, so we can write P by 2 minus Q by 2. Now let's work our way from the origin to M because we need to find the position vector of M. So we can work our way from O to B plus, or actually you can just directly write OQ. So OQ plus QM. So OQ, as they've given you, is Q plus QM, which is P by 2 minus Q by 2. So 1 minus half will give you half, positive half basically. So you know that therefore that your final answer will be Q by 2 plus P by 2. Therefore this will be your final answer for part B. Oh, my bad.